Hello everyone, today we're here at the new Cecil Ave. Well, not new, they've just given it a nice fresh look. They've got nice wide footpaths. That's not really what we care about. See, this is all food stuff. We've got something else here. Is that bus stand? Yes, it is. We're here at the new Cannington temporary bus station. So let's go have a look. They had a media conference here yesterday and they had loads of people taking photos. They got 3141 out, which is the second newest Arctic. We've got here coming down. 2427, that'll be refilled soon. But yeah, they had loads of people come down here and get photos. Weird media journalist people. But yeah, they got 3141 down, put some weird codes on the displays. They didn't even get it in good lighting. Disappointing. Yeah, those photos are up on perthbus.info if you want to check them out. Anyways, we'll go have a look. Made it over here. You can see there's mostly completed. They've got portables. But this is the most completed out of all of them. They're going to have another one at Armadale and Vic Park. So Vic Park's going to have a bus interchange for the first time. And since Armadale and Cannington, but I don't know what they're going to do at Oak Street. I'm pretty sure all the buses are going to go down like on street stands on Albany Highway, which is so far away from everything else. Yeah, we can see the speed limit's going to be 5, which is lower than other bus stations and interchanges, which I believe are 15 usually, sometimes 10. Yeah, you've got just mass stands. Yeah, but this is the best look we can get through the fence. But I think they'll probably take this fence down or something once it's completed. Yeah, this is kind of the best look we can get, sadly. Yeah, have a look over there. That little brown or grey thing there will be so that you can have a look at all of the where the stands are and stuff, a bit like an information. Another one over there. I think they're going to be e-information ones as well. You can see there. 1697. Yeah, we might go around the other side again. Have a look. But since the road next to it's not open currently, can't get that good of a look. But yeah, this should be opening in October. End of October is what they've said. But it could open earlier if they all. Have a good look through here. 10 kilometers per hour, but the speed limit there says 5. Just going over here, you can get another good look in. These stands, I don't know what these will be for, but they'll obviously be very high capacity compared to those ones over there. I think these will be the, they have this system which I'll link in the description. It's like a bus route system. They have loads of weird routes like Cannington to Airport Central that they're doing just for the shutdown. But they're doing these routes just for the shutdown, but they don't like rail replacement routes. It's just so that you can get people off the rail and onto other buses, so that it's not like chalk. Don't want it to be chockers, which it probably still will be. Actually, yeah, it'll definitely still be chockers. But it's just to try and limit the load on rail replacement. So I presume those will be all the bus routes that they're just having for the shutdown. The ones with only one stand will be all the normal routes, like 134. It'll be cool. This is the first like temporary bus station since Rose Street and temporary Wellington Street back in like 2014, 2015, 2016. So this would be really cool. They're going to have one at Vic Park as well, which they haven't done like any works on yet, I believe. They might have actually, because I only had a look late April. And they also are going to have one at Armadale, which I presume they've already started works on that, I know that. But yeah, if that road was open, I'd be able to get a better look in at the back. Have a look from over here. So that'll be cool. I can't wait to go in there. Wonder if they're going to close the Cannington interchange and open this one instead, and have like either a shuttle or something. Because I know it's going to open in October, so I don't know if they're going to demolish the interchange then, going to close it, or they're just going to make the buses go via here for the time being until the shutdown actually starts on the 20th of November, in which until the Wednesday it will be a full line, and then after that for the next 18 months it's going to be Vic Park to Armadale and Vic Park to Thornley. Yeah, you can have a good look. Yeah, that's going to only be a thing for 18 months. Yeah. So until mid-2025, they've changed it from May 2025 to mid-2025. So I reckon it could even be 19, 20 or 21 at max months for the Armadale line shutdown. So I think I might just end off the video here today, guys, at the Cecil Ave that they've been building. I'll see everyone later. Goodbye.